One apple, red and round, rolls so softly on the ground. Two bananas, tall and bright, peel them both, take a bite. Three strawberries, sweet and small, let's eat one, then eat them all. Four grapes in a purple row, juicy treats, they're good to go. Five oranges full of juice, round and tasty, let them loose. Six lemons, yellow and bright, sour faces, what a sight. Seven cherries in a bunch, red and shiny, time to munch. Eight mangoes, soft and sweet, golden joy we love to eat. Nine pears on a little tree, pick them down, 1, 2, 3. 10 blueberries in a cup, count them all and drink them up. 11 melons, big and green, count them open, what a scene. 12 kiwis, brown and fun, scoop them up, we're not done. 13 pineapples, spiky and tall, slice them up and share them all. 14 plums are soft and round, juicy purple can be found. Or peach, can use either. 15 figs with purple skin, let the fruity fun begin. 16 coconuts, strong and white, crack them open with delight. 17 raspberries, red and bright, one by one they feel so light. 18 limes are green and bold, tiny treasures to be told. Use lime and cheese if available. 19 pomegranates,